Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. Are you confused by all the conflicting nutrition advice out there? Wondering how to start eating right but not sure where to begin? You're not alone. In today's video, we're cutting through the noise and giving you the essential basics of nutrition. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to nourish your body correctly, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. Stick with us and let's embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Let's dive right in. Nutrition is providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. It's about understanding how different foods impact your body and how to balance your diet to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each plays a vital role in keeping your body functioning optimally. You may have heard the term macronutrients before. This term refers to carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are one of your body's primary sources of energy. They are found in bread, pasta, rice, fruits, and vegetables. There are two types of carbs, simple and complex. Simple carbs in sugary foods and drinks provide quick energy, but it can lead to energy crashes. Complex carbs in whole grains and vegetables provide sustained energy and are better for long-term health. Aim to fill your plate with whole grains, fruits, and veggies to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They help build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and support immune function. Good protein sources include meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, nuts, and seeds. It's important to include a variety of protein sources in your diet to get all the essential amino acids your body needs. Whether you're a meat eater, vegetarian, or vegan, you have a wide range of protein options, making your diet inclusive and nutritious. Fats are essential for absorbing vitamins, protecting organs, and providing energy. However, not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, such as those in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can improve heart health and reduce inflammation. Conversely, trans fats and excessive saturated fats found in processed foods can increase the risk of heart disease. To maintain a nutritious diet, focus on incorporating healthy fats while limiting unhealthy fats. Macronutrients are the category vitamins and minerals fall under. Vitamins are organic compounds that your body needs in small amounts to function properly. They play a role in everything from immune function to bone health. Here are some key vitamins and their sources. Vitamin A is important for vision and immune function. It's found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. It is found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. The red bell peppers are especially high in vitamin C. Vitamin D is essential for bone health and immune function. You can get vitamin D from sunlight and foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects cells. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, and spinach. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. It's found in leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula. B-complex vitamins B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, niacin, and folate support energy production and brain health. You'll find the B vitamins in whole grains, meats, eggs, and legumes. Minerals are inorganic elements your body needs for various functions, including bone health, nerve function, and muscle contraction. Calcium is the first of our minerals. It's essential for strong bones and teeth. It's found in dairy products, fortified plant milk, and leafy greens. Next up is iron. It is crucial for red blood cell production. You can find iron in meats, beans, and fortified cereals. Our next mineral is magnesium. It supports muscle and nerve function. It's found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Next up is potassium. It helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions. It is found in coconut water, sweet potatoes, and avocados. Next up is zinc. It supports immune function and wound healing. You can find zinc in meat, shellfish, and legumes. As you know, water is essential for life. It makes up about 60% of your body weight and is involved in every bodily function. Staying hydrated helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and a little more if you're active or in a hot climate. Please remember, hydration isn't just about drinking water. You can also get fluids from fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Creating a balanced plate is critical to good nutrition. Here's a simple way to do it. Half your plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. 1/4 of your plate should contain healthy proteins like beef, chicken, fish, or tofu. The last 1/4 of your plate should be whole grains. Please choose brown rice or quinoa. Add healthy fats in moderation. Use olive oil for cooking or add a handful of nuts or seeds to your meals. Portion control is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing overeating. Please be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating slowly and savoring your food can help you recognize when you're satisfied, rather than continuing to eat out of habit or boredom. Understanding nutrition labels can help you make informed choices about your food. Here are some key components to look for. Serving size indicates the amount of food for which the nutrition information pertains. Please be mindful of how much you eat compared to the serving size listed. Calories provide a measure of how much energy you get from a food serving. When it comes to nutrients, look for foods high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and low in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Planning and preparing your meals ahead of time can help you stick to a healthy eating plan. Create a grocery list and ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion out snacks. Prepare large portions of meals like soups, stews, and casseroles, and store them in individual containers for easy grab-and-go options. While getting your nutrients from food is best, supplements can help fill the gaps if you have specific deficiencies or dietary restrictions. Please remember to always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regime to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your needs. Everyone's nutritional needs differ, and what works for one person might not work for another. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and adjust your diet accordingly. If you have specific health conditions or dietary concerns, consider working with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to create a personalized eating plan. Understanding the basics of nutrition is the first step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. By incorporating various nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, practicing portion control, and listening to your body, you can ensure you're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know more about Nutrition 101, your guide to eating right. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.